Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to talk about how to add sections to any page on Shopify. So let's just begin. So first of all, we have to be on the dashboard of the Shopify store, and after that what we need to do, we have to click on the online store here, and from here as you can see that we are inside the themes. So in the themes, as you can see here, we are actually using the Dawn theme. Okay, so you can also see the other popular free themes here. So if you want to use any of these themes from here, you can simply choose it from here. Okay, so right now we're simply using the Dawn theme, and in the Dawn theme we will be learning to add the section to any page on the Shopify store. So first of all, we have to learn that how can we add the sections. Okay, so click on the customize. So here we will simply learn to add the section. So how can we add the section? The process is really simple. All you need to do is to click on the add section, as you can see here. Okay, so add section. So in the add sections, we have a lot of the different sections, as you can see here. We have featured collection, we have featured product, collection list, and rich text, and we have the image banner, slideshow, and collage, and multi-column, and you can also explore the other options here. Okay, so right now I just want to add the blog post here. Okay, so let's click on the blog post, and it will be added on the page of your Shopify store. As you can see that we are actually on the home page here, and we have added the blog post section here. So if you want to change the page here, you can simply do it from here. You can customize the products page, you can customize the collection. We have the collection list, pages, blogs, and blog posts. Okay, and you can also see the other pages here. All right, so we have learned to add a section, and as you can see that from here we can actually edit the section however we want to edit this. If you want to edit this section, you can simply do it from here. All right, so now let's click on the save, and if I just click on the preview here, you will be able to see the blog post here. Okay, so the thing is, we learned to add the section. Now we will learn to add how can we add the section to any page. Okay, so for that we actually have to create the template. So if I want to reuse the sections on multiple pages, all I need to do is to create the template. Okay, so how can we do that? We will simply go back to our store here, and from here let's just click on the drop down button here, and you can see the pages here. Okay, so in the pages, as you can see that we have the default page and we have the contact. So these are actually the default template that are given by the Shopify store to us. But if you want to create a new template with the customize sections, you would simply click on the create template. So let's click here, and I will write down customize template. So I had to write down the C here. Okay, so what would be the best one? I will simply go with the default page. Obviously I can customize this if I want to. So as you can see here, we have this customized template that we're creating here. So the thing is, we have the page in the template and we have the footer. So as you can see that we can't simply delete the page and the footer from here. We can only hide them. So let's click on the hide, and I want to hide the footer as well. And we also have this header. So I want to keep this header for my template. So first of all, I would like to have the image with the text. And as you can see that we have added this image with the text, and in the similar way I would like to add the blog post, and in the last I would simply like to add the contact form. Alright, so let's save this. One thing that you can see here, that we can actually remove these sections, okay, but we can't actually remove the footer and the page because they are the part of the default template. Okay, so let's click on the save. So as you can see that we have created the customized template, and you can see it from here in the pages. So we have the default page, we have the contact page, and we have the customized page. So the default page is not actually assigned to any page, but the contact page is actually assigned to a single page. And in the last, as you can see, we have the customized template that is not actually assigned to any page here. So the question is, how can we use these templates? Okay, so that is really easy. What you need to do, click on the exit from here, and I will click on the pages from here. So in the pages, I would like to add a new page. So I have to write down the title of the page, that is the test, and I will leave the content empty here. Okay, so now you can see here we have this theme template. And in the theme template, now you will be able to see the customized template. Okay, so if I just click on the customized template and click on the save here, and if I just click on the view page here, you will be able to see the sections that we have added in our template. So whenever I create the page with this theme template of the customized template, it will always have these sections. It will always have the image with the text, blog post, and the contact form. Let's just create another page here just to show you that whenever I use this customized template, I will have all of these sections on my page. Okay, so let's click on the test 2 here. Okay, so I actually have to go to the pages again, and from here I have to click on the add page. I would write down sample and I would leave the content empty, and I would choose the customized template here and click on the save. And if I click on the view page here, you will be able to see we have these sections on our page. We have the image with the text, blog post, and the contact form. So this is how we can reuse the sections on the multiple pages with the template. Okay, so if you want to do the same thing with the product pages, all we need to do is to go back to our Shopify dashboard, and from here we have to click on the themes. So first of all, let's just have a look at our store here. So in the store we have these 3 different products. So let's click on this product and you will be able to see this product page here. So how can we add the sections in the product page? Okay, so for that, let's just go back and click on the customize. And now what you need to do, you have to click on the drop down here, and as you can see that we can do the same thing with the products that we will be using here, and we can also do the same thing with the collection list here. So we have the pages, we have the blogs, and the blog post. Okay, so let's click on the products. So in the products we actually have the default product template. Okay, so let's click here. So this is actually the default product template. So if you want to create a new template and if you want to customize the product page, or if you want to add the sections, all you need to do is to click here, click on the create template, write down customize product page. All right, so that would be actually based on default products. So let's click on the create template, and from here I can simply add the sections here. So I would simply like to add the collage here, and I would also like to add here a video. Okay, so we have the 2 new sections, the video and the collage, in our product page. So let's click on the save. So we have this customized product page. So let's go back to our product page of our store. Let's click on the refresh, and you will be able to see no changes here. The reason is that these product pages are created with the default product page. So how can we apply our customized product page? We can apply it on the new pages. So for that we have to go back to our dashboard. So click on the exit here, and from here I have to click on the products. Now what I need to do, I have to add a new product here. So I'm gonna write down full suit, and we will generate the description here. Click on the generate text. Okay, so keep this description, and we have to add the media here. So that would be this image, and let's just write down the price here. Okay, so we are good here. Okay, so we have added the title, we have added the description, we have added the media and the price here. Okay, so how can we use our customized product template? So for that, as you can see that we have this theme template, but in here we have the default value of the default product template. So as you can see that we have our customized product page here. So if I want to use our new template, I would just simply choose this. And now what I need to do, I have to click on the save here. And if I just click on the preview here, you will be able to see our newly added sections of the collage and the video. And if I try to find these sections on my previous products, you won't be able to see that. So if I just click on this product here, you won't be able to see the sections because they are actually created on the default product template. Alright, so this is how we can add the sections on any product page using template. Okay, so in this video we learned to use the sections on the multiple pages using the template. So we have applied this on the symbol pages, and we have also applied this on the product pages. So this is how it works. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.